Hey guys, it's Nasa, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Today I'm going to tell you guys, or rather show you guys, how to wholesale land. You can sell dirt, especially infill lots. We are in a neighborhood right now. This is considered an infill lot. And you could flip that just like you could flip houses. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. You see this lot I'm standing on, right? You know how we do for house flips. We do ARV times 0.7 minus repairs minus your assignment fee equals your offer. You know how we do that for houses? Well, land works a little bit different, all right? The general idea of land is you want to be 10 to 20% of whatever houses go for in the neighborhood, right? So new construction goes for about 350 over here, all right? So being that new construction goes for 350 over here, and the builder wants to be 10 to 20% all in for land. This is a general rule. It's not going to apply to every situation. This is a general rule, okay? What happens is, if houses go for 350, the builder will pay between 35,000 and 70,000 all in. When I say all in, that means sewer taps and city water, okay? That's what I'm talking about when I'm saying all in. Because to tap into city water and city sewer, there's the cost with that. That's not free. I know the owner of this piece of land, right? The owner pays $60,000 for this land, all right? That makes the numbers work, right? They're gonna be the house she can build is gonna sell for 350, right? She has to buy this land, she has to be between 35 and 70,000, right? She pays 60. So now what she has to do next is what? She just has to bring in the city water and city sewer because it was never a house here. It was just been vacant land. So she can get that all done and her numbers work, okay? So this is a general rule of thumb. You're gonna have neighborhoods where people pay $400,000 to build, $400,000 to knock down a house to build $1 million house, right? And you're gonna have neighborhoods whereas, you know, people pay $250 to knock down a house to build an $800,000 neighborhood. Those neighborhoods is this, right? It's just like the 70% of ARV rule. It's not gonna apply to every situation, especially not high cost of living places. But a general rule of thumb, a builder wants to be between 10 and 20% for land. Knowing that they'll pay between 35 and 70,000 for this land, right? Knowing that information, that tells you, okay, I gotta deliver this at a max price of 70. So I gotta try to get it for 50,000 so I can make a quick 20, 15, or 10, whatever it is that you wanna make, and deliver this to your end user. That's how that will go. All right, before I wrap up, guys, the ebook is out. The link is in the description. Make sure you buy that. The ebook shows you how to flip houses, how to get in that game flipping houses, okay? And with no money, no credit, no experience on real estate, anything. It's gonna break it down step by step. If you need a video course on how to flip houses, we got you covered. The wholesaling courses, the link is in the bio, or you can go to maxandnas.com, watch the webinar and buy it, or you could just click on the link below in my description to buy it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.